huge. Where am I gonna put this? Oh my god. There's no way. I'm so happy. Alright. This is so huge. Where am I gonna put this? Oh my god. Where am I gonna put this? Oh my god. For a file. Oh my god. Where am I gonna put this? Here's the big winner. Laundry bag. First start with the clay poster. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh, look. I don't want to open this. Oh my god. Okay. Let's open this to see. Oh my god. I can't. I don't like opening this. Oh, Ina. There's a rip here already. Oh my god, are you serious? Oh my god. So cute. I never have a clear A folder before. Can I put something in here? Let's see. My matte. Oh wow, oh my god. So pretty. Oh, that line. Okay. Oh my god. Magic. It's magic. It's magic. Okay. Let me just put this back in the original folder where it belongs. I don't know what to do with this. I can't. Might not. Oh my god. So where's my key? I'm gonna have to They shipped me on an express. So I'm guessing it took them half a year to manufacture and make everything. That's a long time, dude. Imagine the giant Sakura Tachiba ordered that. I'd wait for I'd wait for another year. I know I heard people who waited like 2 whole years to get that order. Okay, let me put this back. again. Just after all. I think Ina's first birthday is big, so that she cost the most. I missed a chance to buy it mainly because it's so expensive. This set cost me around $90. Shipping, shipping is kind of expensive. There's like a button. Okay. This is so huge. I did not expect that it was this huge. Don't expect. I could pop this bubble. You pop them? Oh, wait. Ta-da! Oh, wait. Okay. Wow. Okay. A giant ass play button. I don't know where to put this though. Oh my god. Where did I put this? Where am I gonna put this? Oh. I didn't expect it's this big. Oh my god. I'm not gonna open this. As pretty as this, I'm not gonna open this. It's already like fully laminated come here. Got the signs too. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I want to laminate this. Oh my god. I want to laminate this so bad. Yeah, I'm not gonna open this. I'm not gonna open this. It's too precious. Oh my god. It's too precious. Oh my god. Ta-da! Okay, this is actually the one I actually kind of excited for. So excited for this. Wow. I actually did the measurement with the ruler by myself. I figured it's gonna be pretty long. It's quite long. I heard. Oh, if you throw this in the machine, I think this is quite durable. But this is an Ina merch. There's no way I'm gonna throw it in the sewing machine and waste it away. It might break easily. I should have ordered more. But, no mind. Oh wow. I can't really waste it. I guess I put my underwear and my bras in here. Yeah. It's good. It's really good. It's really good quality. It's double layered. Oh my god. It's really good. Yeah. I'm actually gonna like put my stuffed animal in here or something. Yeah, I guess that's almost everything. There's actually not much that's been listed out. Let me give you guys a full view. Yep. It's so pretty. Okay. Bye-bye. Oh my god, I forgot about this. Oh damn. This is such a good value for $90. Oh, I thought this would be actually taller, more taller though. Oh, the smell of plastic. Oh, we could like, okay, it's a little factory. We gotta clean this out a little bit. But it's still clean, it's still though. I just think that I might, like, if I were to choose, I would order a lot more of this. Let me just open this out. Just like flatten it, let's sit straight. Oh my god, there's a lot of stuff in the factory process. Okay. Open the strap. Wow, okay, this is actually decently tall.